All right, so we've been talking about the river levels and that potential now of ice jamming, because now some of them are starting to get moving, and that's what we'd be watching. We heard Eric Kress before talking to Jeff Lest at the National Weather Service. Ice jams are unpredictable. They can happen at any time. Now we're watching that wolf. Now, levels have been steady to maybe even slowly falling a bit, but all it takes is one ice jam to kind of back things up there. There's that flood warning still going for the Fox in Princeton and the Berlin area. You got the Oconto River and Peshtigo River. Still flood warnings for those areas as those rivers are up there. But luckily, this quiet weather has really been helping us. And it really hasn't been getting that warm where we're not doing too much melting too fast. Here we are again. We're below freezing. So these are fine nights to stop that fast melting of any snow. It's 26 degrees in Green Bay, and there's not much wind right now. So actually today is going to be prettier than yesterday, less wind and milder temps. And we're going to have a lot of sunshine. There are just a few clouds off to our north and west, but nothing falling out of them. And SkyCast showing for you another quiet day, lunchtime, plenty of sun for you. There are just a couple of those high clouds sneaking on by, and a few more of those as we head through our overnight here, and a couple clouds for tomorrow. But you notice, once again, nothing falling out of them. Now our average high for today should be 44 degrees. Well, there's a nice record, 78, but we don't want it to be that warm because if you melt that snowpack in the Northwoods too fast, that's going to cause those rivers to rapidly rise. But yesterday, only 43 in Green Bay, but as far as today, upper 40s, there's even a 50 in Des Moines. That's for us unless you're right next to Lake Michigan, a little bit cooler there. But right now we've got 22 in Fond du Lac, there's 29 in Kewaunee, a little bit chillier towards Lake Mountain, it's 13 degrees, but still, it's not that bad because these winds are pretty much light. So most of the wind chills equaling the temperature. Feels like 18 in Oconto, 23 Appleton and Oshkosh. That's not much of a wind chill. You'll have less wind than we had yesterday. And SkyCast showing a lot of sunshine for you today. Just a couple high clouds sneaking on by this afternoon. And tonight, also keeping it dry. So for today, that's a pretty nice day. 50 degrees, though, if you're right by Lake Michigan, a little bit cooler there. Now, as far as tonight is concerned, 27, just a couple clouds late. And for tomorrow, still mild, 55, but it will be breezy out there. So more wind tomorrow than today. And just a chance of a sprinkle or a very light shower on Thursday. And then Friday night into Saturday, it all depends on where the system tracks. It could bring some rain or it could bring a little snow. It's easy, Brooke. It's too early to make that call.
We don't want snow this time of year. We just don't. All right, thanks, Fish.